Good evening, and welcome to Stephen Hawkins vs. Dubstep. Recent investigations show that the human race is evolving in mentality. The younger generations are developing a need for low-frequency music played at high volume. As a man of science, I am willing to conduct an experiment to find the reason of why this has happened. The experiment will involve me experiencing a dubstep drop so heavy that I may either die or shit my pants. Let the experiment begin. Fuck me. My ears are bleeding. I am now going to attempt to blend in with the sound to see what occurs. Wow.